Angelina Jolie accuses Brad Pitt of trying to force her to sign NDA to silence her allegations of abuse. Angelina Jolie is accusing Brad Pitt of trying to have her sign an $8.5 million non-disclosure agreement related to her allegations of abuse against her ex. In court documents filed in Los Angeles County Superior Court on Thursday, July 25 and obtained by People, lawyers for Jolie, 49, argued in support of a recent motion to compel Pitt, 60, to disclose personal communications, which Pitt's lawyers described as wide-ranging and intrusive in a separate filing. In 2022, Pitt sued Jolie for selling her stake in Chateau Miraval, the winery they co-owned, alleging she violated a prior agreement that neither would do so unless the other person approved. The pair have also engaged in a separate legal battle related to the custody of their children, half of whom have now reached legal age: Maddox, 22, Pax, 20, Zahara, 19, Shiloh, 18, and 16-year-old twins Knox and Vivian die. In the new court documents, Jolie's attorneys said that Jolie was not acting with malice and the intent to hurt Pitt in response to any custody ruling when she sold her share of Miraval in 2021. Instead, it was Pitt who refused to buy her interest unless he received his newly expanded NDA, enforceable by an $8.5 million holdback specifically designed to force her silence about his abuse and cover-up, the court documents read. People has reached out to Jolie and Pitt's representatives. Jolie's attorneys additionally said, while Pitt advances what is effectively an outdated privacy of domestic violence argument to shield his abuse, his argument is not the law, at least not in this century, and he cites no authority that would give him such unwarranted protections, the court documents read. In any event, he waived any privacy protections when he sued Jolie. In court documents obtained by People on July 15, Pitt's attorneys asked for Jolie's motion to be denied. They alleged that Jolie wanted him to produce communications about such sensitive issues as therapy he voluntarily undertook in the wake of the 2016 family plane ride that led to their divorce, even after Pitt volunteered to produce documents sufficient to show everything that occurred on the flight. In that filing, Pitt's attorneys argued that his private, third-party communications from that time should not be relevant to their dispute over the winery and claimed Jolie intends to turn this business dispute into a relitigation of the former couple's divorce case. Jolie's attorneys noted in the July 25 court documents that Pitt contends that he did not use the NDA to attempt to cover up any abuse, and argued that the actor should be compelled to continue producing documents related to her allegations during discovery in their legal battle. Jolie has no desire to litigate these issues and for years never publicly discussed any of it. Rather than appreciate her discretion, Pitt sought to contractually mandate and enforce it, the documents read. Because she refused, he seeks to punish her, demanding $67 million plus punitive damages. In so doing, Pitt placed his conduct squarely at issue. While Jolie sincerely wishes Pitt would end this litigation and finally put their family on a clear path toward healing, that cannot happen while Pitt relentlessly pursues her. A source recently told People that nearly 8 years after their breakup, Pitt and Jolie's divorce settlement is still being hashed out. Both sides are still talking, the source close to the couple said of remaining issues in the negotiations, but it's not done yet.